Hello everyone, this is Nancy for Whimsy Stamps, and today we have a product reveal for the FADOODLES Snow Peeps 4x6 clear stamp set. Now it's made of photopolymer, which gives you a nice clean stamped image, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the details. So there are 5 individual snow peeps. If you love snow people the way I love snow people, you are going to love this set. I think they're absolutely adorable. You can customize them the way you want. There are 6 individual snowflakes, and they measure approximately a 1/2 inch. The smallest one is just a tad bit smaller, but they're all about a 1/2 inch. And you can see that the snow people go from pretty large to small. There are 6 individual sentiments that you can mix and match to create your own sentiments. Winter, warm, birthday, happy, wishes, snow much, and I love you. And of course, with the largest snowman, you can see that there is a little baby as well as the stick arms on his belly. So those are just there for storage, so you want to make sure when you stamp him out that you either remove him from the acetate sheet or you remove the stick arm and the snow baby from his belly, and I'll show you why in just a minute. But make sure that you do that, unless of course you want them on his belly, because he has enough space on his belly that you could definitely customize and add some images there. This one measures about 4 1/4 inches tall, and this teeny tiny little snuggled up baby, he looks like he's in swaddling, doesn't he? That one is about 3/4 of an inch. So here I have them all stamped out, and now you can see what I meant about them being on his belly. So it's okay. When I make my card, I'll show you my sample card at the end, and I am able to fix that in camouflage. I've just done very simple coloring, and I think they're just adorable. Now for this first card, I have paired the Snow Peeps with the Hearts border red rubber stamp, as well as the Shaker Maker rectangle die set and the Grass and Cloud edger dies. And for this one, I have paired them really simply with the Slimline Scenic Window die, just to create some fun samples for you. So this has been the product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps 4x6 FADOODLES Snow Peeps stamp set. Guys, we have loved having you with us today. We'd love to see you over on the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group, as well as all of our other social media outlets. For more information on this stamp set or any of the other products that I've used in this video, click the link downstairs and that'll take you right over to the Whimsy Stamps website. And until next time, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Talk to you next time. Bye.